Hi, this is Juliana， 我是志宁。I'm very happy to see all of you here。谢谢大家今年来到我们的国际童玩节。
Welcome to the 14th edition of the Kids and Fun Festival. Bienvenidos a la 14ª edición del Festival Infantil. Bienvenido a la 14ª edición del Festival des Enfants. Now, who's been to KFF before? Raise your hand, give me a cheer.
来，各位请举手哦。我们知道很多现场的朋友过往都参加过童玩节哦，谢谢，谢谢大家，可以。
So I see we have a lot of first timers today. Well, growing up in San Jose, I didn't have access to KFF, but thanks to many of our amazing volunteers, community elders, we get to experience this multicultural event hosted by Taiwanese Culture and Sport Association.
呀，所以我们今天在现场呢，一共有12个国家来参与，所以请大家一定要记得去我们的 International Village 那边来参观，而且要请小朋友手上要拿你的 passport 去盖章，然后可以换大奖。
Exactly. So what Juliana was saying is that you better stop by. There's so many activities. You can stop by the International Village to the left over here. You can grab your passport at booth number 1 and go get your stamps. You can visit many countries that are representing their culture today and exchange.
呀，就是等到大家盖完章之后就有礼物，然后呢，知道今天很多朋友这边会有一点点觉得渴了啊、饿的时候呢，我们今天 Food Court 准备了非常多呢，就是来自于台湾还有各地不同国家的美食，会欢迎大家呢一定要去品尝试试看。
And if you're feeling a little hungry, we have tons of amazing delicacies. Who likes boba tea over here? Popcorn chicken?
Yeah, right hand side. Let's move. Yes, you can spread out the entire stage. Yeah， 所以我们可以看到我们的 Boy Scout， 我们的童军团哦。因为相信在场有很多的爸爸妈妈，说不定家里面孩子大一点，已经有参加童军团，或是小朋友，其实也欢迎可以参加童军团，或是女童军团。他们可以在美国真的体验到不一样的成长方式。他们的训练非常多，像小朋友觉得说去 camping 很好玩，或者他们很多学习的这些 activity 很好玩，还有 free food。是他们刚刚提到的，所以这都是让孩子们觉得很不一样，而且有非常好的训练。所以欢迎大家呢，如果家里面小朋友，不止男孩子、女孩子，都可以来参加童军团。像他们今天会拿着国旗在后面陪伴着我们，让我们觉得有那个精神感哈，有仪式感。要谢谢他们，要站在那边好久晒太阳。
So now this is a wonderful moment. I really think it's a wonderful moment for us to share our moment of gratitude because KFF could not be possible without many generous sponsors. And you can, how many have a program in hand? The one that Juliana has? Well, if you open to page 9, you can take a look at the full list of sponsors, but I'm going to the Maestro Stars Academy's Children's Singing Troupe back to the stage. They're going to be singing the national anthem. So let's welcome Maestro Stars Academy Children's Singing Troupe to the stage again.
很重要的唱国歌的时间，我们这边一定要唱美国国歌。我们欢迎我们的小朋友们可以上台来带大家一块来唱国歌，来，掌声欢迎哦！不止小朋友唱，会唱的大朋友也可以一起唱。请大家站起来哦 ，Stand up, please, raise, please， 要唱国歌了。 好，谢谢大家为我们唱国歌，还有
remark. Thank you so much to our Boy Scouts.
谢谢。好，谢谢我们的 Boy Scout，谢谢我们的童军团。